I, Kefabwana Mwenga, do solemnly affirm that, swear that the statements I make before this committee shall be the truth and all truth and nothing but the truth. I further pledge to uphold the principles of integrity, transparency, and accountability in all matters related to public service. I understand that any false statement
do solemnly swear that the statements I make before this committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. I further pledge to uphold the principles of integrity, transparency, and accountability in all matters related to public service. I understand that any false statement or misrepresentation may result in disqualification from consideration for this position and may have legal consequences. So help me God.
The award is a Book John Award.
Very near to Nyamira.
Yeah, and now since I'm working in township ward, that's where I stay. That's where I have the business. But originally,
Jina naitwa Kerenok, ambaye ni speaker wa bunge letu la Nyamira. Leo tumekusanyika hapa, tulikuwa na mkutano ama kikao cha kupiga msasha wale watu ambao watakuwa wanachagua ile kamati ya County Public Service Board. Hayo majina yalitumwa kwetu na gavana, na kama sheria ilivyo lazima tuangalie wale watu ambao wamekuwa nominated, ambao wataenda ku advertise positions za board members wa executive. Vile vile tuangalie tuone kama ile position wamechaguliwa nayo kama wametoshea na ile qualifications zao. So hiyo ndio tumefanya hapa leo, na hii kamati inaitwa Appointments Committee ya bunge letu la Nyamira, na hii ndio imekuwa ikifanya hiyo maneno. Ni mmoja wetu ambaye alikuwa amebadilishwa sababu ya mabadiliko ya ile kiti ya leader of minority ambaye alikuwa kaena sisi. Tumekuwa na leader of majority hapa na leader of minority ambaye ni Mheshimiwa Martha Maro na Mheshimiwa Nyambega Gisesa ambao wanahitajika kuwa katika hiyo kamati. So hii ni kamati kwa lari na imefanya hiyo kikao. Tumemaliza mambo ya kuangalia kama kuwatadizi, na kwenda mbele tutaenda kuandika ripoti ambayo tutawakilisha kwa bunge ili ikaweze kupitishwa ama kuangushwa. Tumewahoji watu 5 na wote ambao waliwekwa kwa gazeti walifika hapa mapema na tumemalizana na wao. Pero speaker we bunge ya Nyamira tora ase headquarters Masaba offices etuacha o colleague ntoyeko vetting ose gochungusa ose koligereria amalia tali twatomera gocha ye kamati eliye gochikolika abantu bawo chikokora ase county public service board eliye tenenete okolika abantu ase county yaitu. Kuna tumanyete bali baro egepindi kiabo kia miaka 5 nomo nkoera kere usigia kitigaleti asinini kere naenda karoge gochikoera ekamati nere gochoro oyomo teneneta aba wakiri oyomo otenenete private sector itomu na biashara abalemi tubugata oyomo gotenenera abasae tubugata oyomo gotenenera abangina no oyomo gotenenera chi accountant abantu abo 5 bonsi bakira lero ase bali bachorwa oyomo tuabaligereire kamati ekoro kunga appointments committee eyire libaga ne bunge yaitu oligereria erosie report emakonyeira ase ebunge yonsi yaba MCA baitu bachikoligereria report eyo banyetie ose banyeyerie ekamati yekara ya etibwe amalieta yako ba forward gochia somo governor ekamati yego kolega asie nsinini kolika bali bawo chikokora ega asia ase county public service board eyekoro kunga the selection panel nere go yoto selecteri abantu bali bawo chikokolega asibono as a County Public Service Board.
Ngaditkoria County Assembly under the leadership of Speaker ya tegereire abantu bari bachore bagochikochora bagosoa service board igore ndi assembly basakubeti moto y'abananchi bari banyamira barataka kore gaseras Nyamira County Public Service Board banyakubeka masakara abo tayari kiwaje whatever this position because the board will be there before June 30th. The board gatobate Nyamira County Public Service Board and no chairman no muske Dr. Kereri no CEO Annie Mwasi. Their term is coming to end year June 30th. Igo nge assembly tweru rekomnyoki gasi tetokora abananchi baito banyamire gasi abelwango ngabono chinyakitari cheto chinasikia aliku ba abange bachire ngumbu wade shortage almost over 60 totete chinasiriku abari mumbare bare goli kuba ICD ebindore ne binge bitakeire service chikoru but now because the board ndebe nakitokwa era kishiranga assembly so ande tuanje tokora abananchi gasi batesa kamono nakitokora gasi ngakibengia the board service yaze kusabu abantu baitu banyamira.
Speaker has said abantu ababa well distributed across the board. We had professionals, we had business people represented, we had women represented, we had the youth represented, and we are certain that we have done our best in giving the people of the county of Nyamira abantu bari baranyara koregas without partiality. Actually, even some of them have been serving in other serious boards in selecting very crucial key holders in our country. So we can assure you now that very qualified as our because even one of them was in the panel area charate Auditor General in this country of Kenya. Again, and we're giving you the best.
Panel for the County Public Service Board members ababwente kulikwa very soon yabe kirwa sagia igo twakorire gasi itu bune committee ya appointment so that the county can move forward twegente kana tubegetenga n'abananchi baitu banyamira banyore services asenchire ndonge na inde igo twakore tuganitinga other processes can follow as per the constitution.
Do solemnly swear that the statements I make before this committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. I further pledge to uphold the principles of integrity, transparency, and accountability in all matters relating to public service. I understand that any false statement or misrepresentation may result in disqualification from consideration for this position. There may have legal consequences, so help me God.
I am an accountant by profession. I was born and raised at a place called Manga, it's a village that is in Nyamira County. I also work in Nyamira County as an accountant, senior accountant.